litmus paper and with this extract of red cabbage. So let's get started. So what are the common household items that I can think of? Can I have some shampoo? Thank you. And remember what I'm going to do. I need to make an aqueous solution of shampoo. An aqueous solution. What is that? That is nothing but take some shampoo with some water in it and have an aqueous solution. So aqueous means something related to water and solution means a mixture. So a solution of water is an aqueous solution. So that's what I've done out of the shampoo. Let me get some more samples. Some sauce, please. Ketchup. Okay. And I need a solution of this, please. Thank you. Okay, let me keep my indicator out here on the side so you guys can see this better. Okay. Yeah. What next? Some toilet cleaner, maybe? Yeah. Can I have a solution of this, please? Thank you. Wow. That's a lovely blue. Okay. Next, some vinegar. You know what's vinegar, don't you? When in doubt, head to the kitchen. And can I have a solution of this, please? Thank you. And how about some soap? Okay, maybe washing powder. Yeah, that's what we use more now. Okay, and a solution of this, please. An aqueous solution, mind you. Thank you. That was quick, huh? Thank you. And some juice, orange juice. Okay, some orange juice. Can I have a solution of this, please? An aqueous solution, which means it's just a little bit more diluted, added some water to it. It's still orange, huh? Great. So these are my samples. Come, let's start testing them together. Okay, so let's start with the litmus test. So, as you can see over here, I have some litmus paper, very neatly arranged. Blue litmus, red litmus, blue litmus, red litmus, blue litmus, red litmus, right? So placed in an order. And what we're going to do is something very interesting. We're going to take drops of the various aqueous solutions, put it on them, and see what happens, okay? So let's start with ketchup. Just a little drop would do. Okay? So first I put a little drop on the red litmus. This is dry, okay? We're just figuring out scotch. And a little bit on this. Okay, we'll come back to it later. Let's see what happens. Now, before I move on to the next aqueous solution, remember that you should always wash your dropper, otherwise the solutions can get mixed and you're going to get the right answer every time. Okay, so what do we have next? Okay, we have a cleaner. Let's check that out. Take a little bit of the cleaner. Just a little bit, yeah. Put some on this. I'm sure you can see the results already. Okay, let me come back to that. And before I move on, we clean the dropper again. And now we move on to some vinegar. Okay, so let's use some vinegar and see what the result is. A drop on the red litmus, a drop on the blue litmus. Okay, lovely. And let me wash this again. What is this? Soap solution. Okay. So a little bit. Can you see that? Yeah, I'm sure you guys are shouting out the answer already. Beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to do is these two guys will use the anthocyanin. But for now, with these four in the picture and the result of the litmus test staring at you, right? Have a look at it. There's one more thing which we need to do. Okay, as you can see here, we have a very strong acid and we have a very strong base, right? So what we're going to do is also as a control, or for you to understand what the color change should be, I'm going to take a drop. I have a test here, right? So what should a very strong base do? Tell me. A very strong base should turn red litmus blue, right? So this is a very strong base. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, it does happen in a beautiful way. Can you see that? Okay, and for a very strong acid, normally you cannot use plastic with acid. So I'm going to do it really, really quickly so you can see it, right? Just take a little drop. Okay, yeah, that's it. You saw how it reacted? So you should ideally not use plastic with an acid, but I just did that to quickly show you guys. So have a look at the litmus paper now. Okay, have a look at all the results. And what do you see? Okay, so let's analyze the results one by one. Let's start with our references, which was a very strong acid and a very strong base. So very strong acid, right? From our abracadabra, it had to turn blue litmus red. And that's exactly what happened, right? And in fact, it's so strong, it became really dark red. And if you look at the other side of our reference, which is the base, very strong base. And on the other end, what happened? The base, it turned it blue, right? It turned red litmus blue. That's what it's supposed to do. So now, let's start quickly seeing what happened to each of our solutions. Let's start with the ketchup. And what the ketchup did was, it turned blue litmus red, like you can see, and it didn't do anything to the red litmus, which means ketchup is acidic. Wow, did you know that? Next, a cleaner. Again, the cleaner turned, what did it do? It turned blue litmus red, but nothing happened to the red litmus. Again, a cleaner is also acidic. Okay, and the vinegar, right? What did the vinegar do? The vinegar also turned blue litmus red, like you can see over here. And nothing happened to the red litmus, it's as it is. Which means vinegar is also acidic. And finally, our soap solution, the outlier of the lot. It was the only one which turned, what did it do? It turned red litmus blue. And nothing happened to the blue litmus. So which means the soap solution is basic. See how easily you can understand if you can do this experiment on your own. This is stuff you actually see around you, right? This is stuff you actually see around you every day. And everything has a property to it. Some of them are acidic, some of them are basic. Chemistry is there everywhere.